Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at Bytes. That's right, Bytes. Now this one's from Tzumi, but it looked just like the ones from iWorld. Like, completely dead on, identical. So, this box costs about 10 bucks. What do you get for 10 bucks? You get a charging block, okay? You get a charging block protector. And then, of course, you get your cable little iBite, from Bytes. Or I guess this one's to Zoom. This one's the original Bytes from iWorld. So you get one of those in there. Now I don't know how good you can see on the package, but what do they do? So let's see if we can get. So yeah, like the kilobytes. See, before no one wants to have that hooked to their phone or anything. And with this, it protects the cable, keeps it flat so it's not bending and twisting and turning. You have a nice, tight, secure connection, so these are definitely, worth it. So a kilobyte by itself, about $2.99. A 2-pack, $4.99. And this, with the charging block, about 10 bucks. So $9.99. So let's go ahead and take a look at the back real fast. So yeah, see, charge protector, which will be this sharp. In our case, it's Finding Nemo. See, wall charge included. And then you get the cable protector, which, drop your cable in, pull it back. Pretty simple stuff. So let's go ahead, open these up, and take a look at them. Okay, here's our little cable protector. Looks completely the same, identical to the iWorld one. Just, you have a matching pair. The cable and the protection block. So let's pull this out. Of course, one end will go all the way down here for your cable. And then the cable cord comes out the back. Kind of the same thing with this one. Here's what our charging block looks like. And if anyone's wondering, how many cables can you put in there? One. It only charges one device. Unlike, a charging block like this that has two. So, only one. What is the charging output? It's about 5 volts. So, 5V, 2A. So, pretty much your standard charger. Unlike, this one that has, a 2.1, which is, going to be for like Apple products. And then,